A dangerous flood situation is evolving through parts of southeast Queensland, and a severe weather warning is current, extending from the Wide Bay all the way down to the New South Wales border. And that includes areas like Gympie, the Sunshine Coast, and also inland communities towards Toowoomba. Now, this warning will continue to be updated during the day, so please stay up to date with the latest versions of this warning. Now, we've seen widespread rainfall continue through parts of the Wide Bay and southeast coast last night. But as of right now, our two areas of concern are the convergence zone through the Wide Bay and Burnett area, and unfortunately right over the Mary River catchment. But also the other area that we're watching is the heavy rain band streaming in from the northeast in towards the Scenic Rim and the Lockyer Valley. That includes places like Toowoomba, where we've seen falls in excess of 100 millimetres. Now, overnight, we've seen even heavier falls than that. The two areas that we saw the heaviest falls were parts of the Western Darling Downs, where we saw widespread falls of 50 to 150 millimetres, causing some flood issues there. But what was really concerning was towards the southwest of the Bundaberg area, where we saw isolated falls in excess of 450 millimetres, with 292 of those millimetres falling in just 2 hours. Now, this kind of rainfall is enough to lead to devastating and possible life-threatening flash flooding. We can see inundations of homes, properties and businesses, and also damage to any agricultural areas and also fences near or on any rivers or creeks in this part of the world. And that kind of rainfall is starting to move down towards southeastern parts of Queensland. While we're not talking 400s, we're still talking widespread 50 to 150 with isolated heavier falls on top of that. And only in the last couple of hours, we've already seen falls of 20 to 40 millimetres. And because of all this rainfall, numerous flood watches and warnings are current. We have a major flood warning current for the Mary River, so communities on or near the Mary River catchment need to be concerned, particularly those around the Gympie and Maryborough area. Further south, we have numerous moderate flood warnings current. We also have a major flood warning for the Logan River, but these are likely to possibly increase as we move towards the latter part of today, as rain continues to fall and that water makes its way into these rivers and creeks, with many rivers and creeks in this part of the world rapidly rising as we speak right now. So if you live in this part of the world or know someone that does, it is vital that you stay up to date with the latest forecast and warnings via our website, app and social media. Listen to all advice from emergency services, and we'll continue to keep you updated here at the Bureau.